New York City Police Commissioner Bill Bratton hasn't received the loving embrace he may have anticipated when he returned to the city. Between the Eric Garner killing in Staten Island, the Akai Gurley killing in Brooklyn, and the executions of two cops, Officers Ramos and Liu, he's been under siege from all sides. But that offers no explanation for why Bratton appeared before the New York legislature calling to increase the classification for resisting arrest from a misdemeanor to a felony. I can still smell the unpleasant odor. According to the New York Post, Bratton said that too many people still resist arrest because the offense rarely gets prosecuted. That'll come as a surprise to many, myself included, since the statistics show just the opposite. But regardless, this smells of a give-back to appease the police and show them that he's still one of them. Is there an epidemic of people resisting arrest? We saw the video of Garner resisting by arguing with the police that they should stop harassing him. That cost him his life, a pretty high price to pay when there didn't appear to be much cause to arrest and certainly no cause to kill. But the concern shouldn't be about the classification of resisting arrest, but the offense for which the person is being arrested in the first place. Consider what Bratton's idea means. A guy stopped for some minor traffic infraction who doesn't realize that his not complying with a command fast enough is more than sufficient to draw a resisting charge. So the guy went from a speeding ticket to a felony? How many years in prison will he need to be rehabilitated? What does he tell his kids when they don't go to college because he can't get a job anymore? Worse yet, almost all resisting arrest charges are based solely on the officer's testimony, with no hard evidence to prove it. This hands the police a free pass to make anyone who annoys them a potential felon. And yes, they tend to get annoyed pretty easily, if you catch my drift. The coercive threat is huge. If annoying a cop means you could be saddled with a felony, the power in their hands to destroy your life would be unstoppable. Pretty soon we could all be felons, or else walking around saying, "Yes, sir, officer," all day long. Bratton's attempt to claim this is needed to stop people from resisting arrest falls under the ancient legal doctrine of equifimus. There is no epidemic of people resisting arrest. There is, however, a political need for Bratton to give his cops a tummy rub, but with the public paying the price, it's an awfully easy give back. While that may work for Bratton and perhaps the administration he serves, showing the police a little love shouldn't come on your dime. This is a ridiculous and a dangerous idea. It deserves to die a painful, brutal death. The people of New York, on the other hand, cops included, do not.